Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into your user account and that your keyboard is working. This avoids confusion later. Once done, locate the modifier keys, FN, Windows, Control, Command, so you know which key combo to press. Make sure to decide which operating system you're on, because Windows, Mac OS, and common Linux desktops use different shortcuts. That determination lets you follow the correct next step without guessing. Now do the actual lock. On Windows, press the Windows key plus L and your screen locks immediately. This is simple and fast. On Mac OS, use Control plus Command plus Q. Alternatively, set a hot corner in System Settings to trigger lock with the mouse. For Linux desktops like GNOME or KDE, try Control plus Alt plus L, and if that doesn't work, open Settings to assign or verify the screen lock shortcut so you finish by verifying the lock. Wake the screen and confirm it requires your password or PIN, because that proves success. If the shortcut does nothing, make sure FN lock isn't interfering and inspect custom shortcut mappings that might override the default. Finally, adjust idle lock settings in Power or Privacy Preferences if you want automatic locking after an activity. And if things still go wrong, reboot once to clear transient keyboard driver issues before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.